Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Connect a laptop to the Hathway modem via Ethernet cable so settings won't drop mid-change. Once connected, open any browser and type the gateway IP shown on your device sticker, commonly 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1. Enter the admin username and password printed on the modem. If you changed it, use that. Make sure to keep this session secure. Do not change settings over public Wi-Fi. This step ensures stable access and prevents accidental lockouts. Once logged in, navigate to the wireless or Wi-Fi section to find SSID and password fields. You change the SSID to something unique so you can identify your network. Avoid personal info. For security, select WPA2 PSK or WPA3 if your devices support it. This protects traffic. Now set a strong passphrase of at least 12 characters with mixed letters, numbers, and symbols. This reduces brute force risk. When done, click Save or Apply and wait for settings to commit before proceeding. After applying changes, reboot the Hathway modem if it doesn't restart automatically, because some routers need a reboot to activate SSID and password updates. Then reconnect each device to the new network name and update saved Wi-Fi profiles to avoid conflicts. Test connectivity and internet speed briefly to confirm. If you cannot access the admin page or you forgot custom credentials, use the small reset pin for about 10 seconds to restore factory defaults. Note this erases custom settings and forces a full reconfiguration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.